So now that we understand a little bit how to use Pure Data, we're going to download the Pure Data patch that is needed to control blooms. You'll find it on the Apo33 website on the Gyazo page, but I will put the link in your documentation, and you'll be able to download the controller from there under controller patch here on the page. Here you need to right click and save link as. This will give you the option to save to download the PD patch blooms. As you can see, I already have it, so I'm not going to download it right now. Once you've done that, you go to your Pure Data file opening dialog box. You click on the menu File and then Open, and then you open the blooms patch that you've just downloaded. Once that blooms patch is open, all you need to do is click Start. This will give you the option to influence the sound, and you can hear that influence going on right now as I am connected to the stream. The stream will be on. If I make some noise, should get a bit mad. Obviously it's not going to sound exactly like this when we're playing, because we'll be playing with modular synths, DIY modular synths using touch. So you have wet and dry sounds, you have the granularity that you can influence, a pitch shifter, you can record samples that will of the stream and then play those back at different speeds. Oops. Just put myself into the stream. You can hear me going along there. But basically, you don't need to go into edit mode for this patch. It's plug and play. To listen to the stream, you need to go here, or you need to take this link, apo33.org/blooms.m3u, and open that with your player. That way you'll be able to hear what sounds you're making, what influence you're having on the performance. One thing to remember is that there is a latency of your action, so there's a buffer when you make an action, and the time it takes your internet connection to transfer that action to the patch in Linz will really depend on how fast a connection you have as to how quickly those actions will be heard directly. So it won't be like snappy. I'm just going to show you the blooms diagram here, because that tells you how the things are influencing. So you have the PD controller that's controlled by the people listening on the net. So hopefully you'll be listening to the blooms performance while at the same time trying to influence and control some of the sonic aesthetics of the space that are happening. What we want you to do whilst doing that, and I will put this schematics also in your documentation, is to use telepathy. I want you to try and imagine that you're part of a greater unity, a greater network in an intuitive way, and move with those sounds. So while you're playing the patch, you really need to be with us in spirit and let your instincts take you. As jellyfish, they all move together. We're not entirely sure how, but we want these blooms to move together and to influence together, as opposed to having their own individual little solo craziness. Whether that works or not is another matter, but that's the idea behind the blooms and how the influence of performers and participants should be. We should try to connect mentally, and we performing in the space will also try to connect to you, all of you. So another thing to think about with this is is that there is a visual aspect that you'll be able to see, because this performance will be live streamed. So not only will you be able to hear the stream directly in audio, which will be better quality than the video stream, I think, but you'll also be able to watch the performance at the same time and see what's happening. So voila. Anyway, I hope that is easy for you all, and I'll look forward to having your feedback later in the week and seeing you all performing with us on Saturday evening. Thanks very much. Bye bye.